Snapchat has always prided itself on sharing in real time. That is why the application opens up to the camera. It is designed to make you share what is happening at the moment. That's why, until today, the snapshots published from the camera's roller have a white border around them. It was a subtle sign of the app that older photos and videos are considered second-class citizens within Snapchat. But starting today, that will disappear. An update of the Snapchat implementation today eliminates the white border. The snapshots published from the camera roll will now appear, however, they will appear when you have taken them for the first time. The technology is not perfect, however, the horizontal photos are rotated when you import them to Snapchat, and there is no way to correct them. Instagram, which never added an edge to old photos and videos, retains its proper orientation. Although he cuts them clumsily, at least for now. The company says that removing the edge was an aesthetic choice. It also seems like a move to keep up with Instagram, which is growing faster and had a more liberal politics around the publication of older articles. In Snapchat, the snapshots published from the camera roll or your memories file will be labeled as from the camera roll and from memories.